Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has begun his official 4-day visit to India. Starting in Mumbai, the trip has a clear focus on expanding economic cooperation. The visit is part of Carney's Indo-Pacific outreach. He will be headed to Australia and Japan after concluding the India leg of his trip. Carney's first engagements in Mumbai center on business and investment. He will be meeting leading industry figures, financial experts, and the representatives of major Canadian pension funds. Interactions with Indian and Canadian CEOs are aimed at boosting trade flow, encouraging long-term investments, and deepening financial cooperation and collaboration between the two countries. This is Canada Prime Minister's maiden India visit after assuming office. After Mumbai, Carney will travel to New Delhi on March 1st for the final stretch of his visit. On March 2nd, he is scheduled to hold talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The delegation-level discussions will take place at Hyderabad House. The two leaders will review the progress achieved across diverse areas in New Delhi, Ottawa ties, building on their earlier meetings, including in Kannansky and Johannesburg last year. Carney's high-profile visit comes at an important juncture in the normalization of India-Canada bilateral relations. It is also seen as part of Ottawa's push for a more pragmatic foreign policy and stronger economic ties with India. Carney's trip marks a potential reset in bilateral ties with India after relations between the two countries nosedived sharply after the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar, a pro-Khalistan Canadian Sikh leader, in June of 2023. After years of strained ties between both nations, Carney's visit is expected to test whether both countries can move beyond a sour past and usher in a new chapter in bilateral cooperation. WION's assistant editor for foreign affairs, Sidon Sybil, has sent us this report from Montreal. Take a look.
Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has reached India in the first leg of his three-nation tour. In this Indo-Pacific tour, he also travels to Australia and Japan. Interestingly, India, Australia and Japan are Quad countries. Now, in India, the focus in Mumbai will be on trading relationship, on business relationship, at a time when both sides are pushing for early conclusion of a trade agreement. In Delhi, it will be building on the reset that was started during the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Canada for the G7 Kananaskis Summit. Everything looks picture perfect given the fact that how both sides have made concerted effort to build on the relationship. We have seen visits both sides. The Canadian Foreign Minister Anita Anand was in India last year. The Indian NSA was here in Canada just a few weeks ago. And focus will be on consolidation and building up of relationship and making sure that the chill of the past is past. Sidhan Sybil for WION in Montreal, Canada.